So to import contacts, we are going to come into the add subscribers, and after making sure that you've added in all of the custom fields you want to add, you can then click on import CSV, and you can be able to drag and drop your CSV inside of this box here. So let's go back into our dummy file, and we are going to click on file, and we are going to click on download. So you have to make sure that you are downloading in the Excel format by using the Microsoft Excel, or by using the CSV format. You have to make sure that it is any of these two. If you download it in any other format, it is not going to work inside of your Mailchimp account. So you want to make sure you use any of these two, sorry. So let's use CSV, and when we click on CSV, as you can see, it has already saved in our CSV file here. So we come back into ConvertKit, and we can be able to drag and drop this inside of this place. And when you drag and drop that, as you can see, it has added in the custom fields from the Excel file, and we can see where we can be able to map it to the kit field, the ConvertKit field. We can be able to see where we want to map each of them into. So when we click on the first name here, as you can see, you can map to the first name. And when you click on the do we have last name? Yeah, so when you click on last name here, you can also map to the last name on the kit field. So we map to last name, and email is also going to be mapped to email. Yep. So phone is also going to be mapped to phone, and job title is also going to be mapped to job title, and we have company name. Okay, so as you can see, all of this has been mapped to each other, and you can see over here from the first name up until the webinar attended, all of those fields, the one coming from the file, has been mapped with the ConvertKit field. So you have to make sure that you do not make mistake in this part, because if you map the wrong field to another wrong field, you are going to get a very, very bad data coming in inside your ConvertKit account, and it can be very, very confusing. So you have to make sure that you are mapping the correct field to each other, and it is also going to show you the sample data here that is coming from the file, so you can see the correct thing that you are mapping. So when you are done with mapping all of this, you are going to click on next, and when you click on next, it is going to ask you if you want to identify all of this imports in a tag. So we can identify all of this imports and say we want to name this YouTube contacts. So let's say we want to identify them with a new tag, and we can also decide to add to a tag if we want. We can also name this YouTube lead. We can name this new lead. You can add in whatever tags you want to add for this particular contact. You can also decide to add to a form, but since we do not have a form, we cannot choose that, and we also do not have a sequence. We'll be seeing how to do that. So when you click on add to sequence, you are saying that all of this contacts is going to be starting whatever sequence that you've created, and those series of emails are going to be sent to them. So when you are done, you click on start import, and that is going to start your import, and you can be able to see here where it is going to tell you that your import is going to be done in a few minutes, and you can close this tab and do all of other things inside of your ConvertKit account. So when you come back in here, when you wait for a little while, like maybe not even up to a minute, you are going to see all of your contacts inside of this place. Okay, so as you can see, our contact has been imported in here. Our 20 contact has been imported, but it is going to take this for a while to like fit into the system. So we can also see the particular contacts, each of them. You can see, you can click on it, and it's going to take you to the contact page where you can be able to see each of those contacts. You can see their details. You can see if everything is mapped in correctly. You can also decide to change in all of these things. If you feel like there are some things that are wrong and you want to change some of them, you can just change whatever it is you want to change and click on update subscriber, and it is going to update that particular subscriber. You can also see all of the tags that have been added in here, and if you want to delete the subscriber, you can also do that. So if you're already using ConvertKit but things are not working the way you expected it to work, maybe your automations are confusing, or your tags are very messy, or your sequences are very disconnected right now, or you're not just sure whether your current setup is structured properly for your business process, it is time to get extra support. At CRM Instructors, we help businesses with ConvertKit implementation, optimization, and even email marketing audit. So whether you need help setting up your ConvertKit account from scratch, fixing, or you need help with fixing an existing setup, or you want to improve your automations, or you want to review the current email marketing system, or you want to review your current email marketing systems for gaps and missed opportunities, we can help with this. Our audit process helps identify what is working, what needs improvement, and what changes can actually make your email marketing system more effective and more organized So if you need hands-on implementation, we support with that too. If this sounds like something you need, you can find the links in the description below. And if this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe, because we have amazing tutorials like this and we do not want you to miss out. So subscribe to this channel and also like this video, and also share with everyone who you think is going to need this video. And also, we have a target of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the middle of this year, and you can actually make that happen for us. So subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.